I guess I'm one of the first people in the world to have one of these things for the Creator 5 Pro. If you guys don't know what's going on, this is the Flashforge Creator 5 Pro, and this morning I woke up to a package on my doorstep. I've had no shipping notification, no emails, no DMs, no nothing. I double checked, and there's a box from Flashforge. I assumed it was filament, so I bring it in the house, I open it up, and I'm greeted with this. This is the VDC. No, that's not a venereal disease. This is the VDC, ventilated drying system. This is so rare that this entire manual is completely in Chinese. This is so rare that they don't even have the firmware ready yet, and it doesn't even register on the screen like the manual says it's going to. Is it a filament feeder like the U1? Is it a filament dryer? What is it? Well, the closest thing that I can say this is basically like the SpacePi X4 from Creality. What is the VDC? Well, the VDC is basically a filament dryer. Does it feed the filament? No, it does not. So to open this up, you basically slide the handle over like that, and then you can open it up just like this. Filament feeding options. You can either feed it right here in the front, or you can feed it straight out the lid, out the back. This goes all the way up to 85 degrees. So this is a pretty legit filament dryer, if I do say so myself. The A side is the far side and the B is the near. Basically, you just click this button until you go through all the menus, and you can set them up however you want. So just like a lot of the premium filament dryers that are on the market today, this one goes up to 85 degrees. It is actually a dual compartment. So this one is completely segmented from the other. Obviously, it has several exit options. This is a one-way vent that lets the moisture get out, but no air to get in. And that's pretty much it. It's basically a filament dryer that you can put all 4 rolls of your filament for your Creator 5 Pro, feed it through the bottom, or you can feed it through the top into each tool head right here. This is a manual feed situation. There are no motors inside of this. But what is really cool about this is this right here. I've seen a lot of videos like from Fohammer that people are speculating what this plug was for. It was a good guess, if nothing else. This goes all the way over to the other side, and this does plug in independently. So why is it plugged into the printer? Well, according to the manual, according to the Chinese manual here that is completely in Chinese, I was able to deduce that what's supposed to happen is when you plug this into the printer and you plug it into the VDC, there's supposed to be a little icon that pops up right on top indicating that it does have connection with it. So at the time of filming, I just got this morning. I opened it up and I hooked it up. I followed the directions the best I could. What's supposed to happen is I was supposed to plug it into the printer and then plug it into the VDC, and it was supposed to register atop the screen. According to the booklet, and I'll put some overlays here, according to the booklet, you're supposed to have full control over the dryer from the screen and from the slicer. In my opinion, that is a pretty cool thing, and I'm super excited to have that. As of right now, there's no firmware available for it. I searched the internet high and low this morning to try to find some kind of beta update. I couldn't find anything. I've reached out to my Flashforge rep. Hopefully I'll hear back from her soon. When that happens, I do solemnly swear that I will upload another video to this platform to share that with all of y'all. So, are you guys excited about the VDC? Did you even know it existed? Did one show up on your porch this morning like it showed up on mine? Am I the biggest Flashforge show in the world? Probably. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. Share, like, and repost, and hopefully I'll see you guys in the next one in a couple days. Have a good one.